Okay, so Probate Property Playbook is a service that I offer complimentary to my real estate practice that helps families in Essex and Hudson County navigate all of the non-legal tasks of settling an estate. Now, I practice real estate in Essex County and Hudson County primarily. I've done deals all over New Jersey. However, those are my areas of focus, so to speak, right? I've been helping families navigate the probate process for 3 years as of date of this video, right? What I've seen is when people have inherited a home in Essex County, in Hudson County, and all over the U.S., they usually have dozens of things to do besides just sell the real estate. Sometimes they don't even have to sell the real estate. So what I've done is increase my knowledge on the probate process in Essex County, in Hudson County. And so I can either answer your questions as a non-legal professional. I'm not a legal professional. I'm not an attorney, nor am I a tax professional or CPA, right? But I can either point you in the right direction, kind of help you navigate the process, or connect you with a professional who can give you straightforward answers and who also works in the probate, end of life, inheritance kind of like web, like that, just that community. So again, if you're watching this video, I just wanted to make a quick video to let you guys know exactly what I do, what I don't do. I don't offer legal advice. I can help you sell your home. This service is complimentary. I do not charge for it. And it is something that I've seen as a need for people in my community to help them during the time where they're probably going to need the most help, and during a time where they're navigating something that they've never navigated. Loved one has passed, but there is still things to do in regards to their end of life affairs, and I'm here to assist you through that. If you guys got any questions, leave a question in the comments down below. And hopefully, if you're watching this video and you do need any sort of assistance in regards to inheriting a home and navigating the probate process, I will be happy to help. Thank you guys for watching.